Hello? Rain?
Hi.
Could you help me out?
I can't.
Dumbo 1 to Dumbo 2, I seem to have something stuck on my head. I guess this guy's just following me now.
Now it's on my head!
Don't. Yeah, okay.
Oh, fuck! I bossed it. Surely I can still just get away with this, right? Get off me! No! So annoying. Get off! Get back on the ship! No, don't leave me out here, you tinko! Get me back on! Open the door! There's nothing here!
I can't get back. I can't get to the button.
Why did you close the door to begin with?
I'm scared of what Tulip snakes.
No, leave me alone! Put me down! What the fuck? What an annoying enemy!
I can't believe.
Here comes one!
Oh my god.
It's adorable the way they ran at us. Not gonna lie.
Flashlight at the start.
Oh, thank God! I can see now!
Help me! Help me! Help me!
There's so many inside now!
You have extra friends. Oh no, I need